Hi everyone, you're welcome to Ajibs Studio AI Fashion Design course for beginners. My name is Ajibola and I am going to be your guide for the ride. So before we go into the depth, I would like to tell you that this is not a difficult thing to do at all. If you don't know anything about fashion designing or tailoring, do not fret as this course covers it all. So we're going to start by downloading some apps from our Play Store. We're going to download Bing first, Bing. You type it in your search bar and click on it, the search button. Then it's going to bring it out this way. You can see the logo of small letter blue B. Then you click on install. When you click on install, it's going to start downloading. It's just like downloading your regular apps from your app store, your Play Store. There is nothing spectacular in it. So you can see it downloading. It's on 5%. My network was rather somehow slow on that day. So we're close to 100%. And finally, it's downloaded. Then you click on open. When you click on open, you be taken through some simple steps process of processing it, to install it fully on your phone. I clicked on why using the app to allow Bing to access my device location. If you don't want, click on don't allow. I clicked on sign into, same as log in, because I already have a Microsoft account. Here I am putting my email address. If you don't have, just click on create one and follow the processes. So I also clicked on next, and from next it brought me to this page. I clicked on image creator, and after that it brought me to this interface too. And now it's, I'm going straight to my documents, all those free prompts I created for you, and I'm just going to select one that looks interesting to me. And here I am copying it. I've copied it and I'm going back to Bing interface. Yeah, yes, yeah. So here I am pasting it into the box, and I'll click on that pink button that says create. Mind you, it's just going to take some seconds, like milliseconds. And mind you, that thunder button there shows the points you have per day. If you run out of it in a day, you will not be able to create till 24 hours elapse. So here is it. Here are my images. You can see them beautiful. I have 4 images here. So AI Bing will bring varieties for you to select. And if you go through it and you see the one that catches your attention, you just click on that three buttons there which says download. So here are they. I don't actually like this, but I'll still download it because it looks cartoonish. This one looks like a real human being. So I'm downloading it. And when you download, it goes straight to your gallery, straight up. The pink button says share, means if you want to share directly to maybe contacts on your WhatsApp, Facebook, or other apps you're making use of. So that's I have downloaded them. Now I am going to install ChatGPT at my Play Store app again. And here I am. I clicked on it and it's downloading, and it has downloaded. I click on open, and ChatGPT would open just as Bing did, and you have to go through some processes. I clicked on log in, yeah, on my ChatGPT. If you don't have an account already, just sign up using your email, your Apple, or your Google. So yeah, I am logging in. It's taking time, but you have to be patient. So after that, it asked me to put my email address and my password. So I put my email address. If you don't have an account, you can sign up there. There's a place for you to click. Then my password, I'm still going to put my password in because they asked me to. So I click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, then it asks me to verify if I'm human. I don't know why, but I have to do it in order to access it. So If it brings you here, you just have to shift the armor. Yes, the armor to the direction where the finger is pointing to. So you have about 3 attempts to do for you to get access to it. So I'm going to shift this monitor to the place the finger is pointing to as well. And also turn the head of this horse to the direction where the finger is pointing to. And voila, we are in. Verification complete, and we click on continue again. So after clicking on continue, you have to be patient for it to load. So that's ChatGPT for you. It's also an AI. It assists you in writing out things, answering questions as well. So here is ChatGPT is welcoming me. I click on continue, and here we have finally in the interface. And now I just do this. It's just random. If you don't want, just skip it, just to warm up ChatGPT. So hi ChatGPT. Hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, so now the reason why we're using ChatGPT is this, because if you don't have prompts to use, like direct prompt, but you have a shady sketch in your mind of what you want, or you don't even have an idea, you just have a fabric, peradventure you're a fashion designer, you just ChatGPT will help you to create that prompt for Bing to understand and create that image for you. I don't know if you understand me. So right now I'm just typing from my mind, you know, because I have a sister who wanted to attend an event, and she said she wanted peach outfit, two-piece, a top and a trouser. So here I am just drafting it in my head. We've discussed, although we've not bought the fabric, but we've discussed about the fabrics to use, that is going to be a lace material for the top and crepe for the bottom. So here I am just fixing it up in my own language. I said, write me a prompt I can use to generate an AI image of a beautiful, slim, and fair Nigerian lady. She's actually like that. I'm just describing her. Wearing a peach blouse in lace and trouser in crepe fabric with golden shoes and bag to a wedding to a wedding. So here I am. If you don't have any clue on how it's going to look like, but you have a style, just type it in as it is in your mind. So here I just fixing in exaggerated sleeves in the blouse part. So now I sent it to ChatGPT to construct it in an AI language, and here it is drafted it. It put all the points I put in my word, it fixed it in, but in a different language. So now here is it. After bringing it, I'm going to just copy it like this, and after copying, I'm going back to my Bing app straight. So I click on image creator again, and it's going to take me back to where I am going to paste that language I got from ChatGPT. After coming to Bing, I'm just going to paste directly what I got from ChatGPT and click on create. After clicking on create, it's going to bring out these images just as I have envisioned in my mind. So look at it. It brought out beautiful ladies with lace tops and exaggerated sleeves of different styles, and crepe pant trousers with golden shoes and bags. So you can see here, look at how beautiful they are. You can see. So now I'm just going to download them one after the other and send to my sister for her to pick the one she likes the best. You can see how stress free it is to create images. It's not like drawing, trying to sketch and paint and all that. You see, if you're someone like me who doesn't even know how to draw, then this is your best option. So now I've downloaded them one after the other. I need I remind you the button in between the share and the download is just for you to create folders in your Bing app, to save your designs. So if you want to create folders, you can do that. If not, you can download and it will go straight directly into your gallery. So this is the prompt for this picture, as you can see. So this button in between the share and the download button is just for creation of folders in your app. So you can create folder in that Bing to save your designs. So now I'm just going to show you that you can also tweak, that is adjust your prompts. The prompts I generated from ChatGPT, you can just adjust something. So I'm removing the peach blouse, the peach lace blouse, and substituting it for white lace flowery dress. And I'm also going to remove the crepe fabric trousers as well. I'm trying to create another design, so I'm replacing it with a navy blue gilly. Yes, AI recognizes that word, gilly. So I'm also going to remove the golden shoes as well and replace it with a blue with sky blue shoes as well. So that, I think that is all for now. So everything has changed. I've removed the peach outfit that was there before and replaced it with a white flowy dress with exaggerated lace sleeves paired with a navy blue gilly. Completes the look with sky blue shoes. So okay, I'm putting in mermaid dress. You have to be detailed enough so that the AI can create exactly what is in your mind. If I had just put only dress, it could bring out a circle dress for me or any form of dress, but I was specific in writing a mermaid dress. So I clicked on create and I'm waiting for it to create designs for me to choose from. And here are my designs again. Can you see them? Four beautiful pictures. Designs of women rocking white lace mermaid dresses. Flowy ones with exaggerated sleeves. Can you see the jewelries they are putting on? The gele. This is even a bridal gele, like Owambe gele for a wedding. This is just perfect. It is perfect for a wedding guest. So you can see I'm downloading them one after the other for my clients to choose. It took, milliseconds. It took just few minutes for the AI, for Bing to generate it. This would have taken hours for an illustrator to start sketching on their notepad, digitally or manually. So that is all. I've downloaded them to my gallery, as you can see them here. So I'm just going to show you how you can create folders in your Bing app. And this folders is just for organization, categorizing your work and making them organized so that when you need them as time goes on, when you keep creating and creating different designs, you will not be confused as where to get them. You get. But if you don't create folders, you can as well just download and it goes straight into your phone gallery. So I have this created one called my designs. So whatever I save, when I save images, it goes straight to the folder I choose them to be, so that in future when you want to reach out to it, you want to access them, you just click on the folders and all designs you have saved in them would be shown. So now I'm creating another folder. I'm just using the random name, peach two piece. So I think whatever designs that are two pieces or peach colors, I'll just put them into that folder. So that is just all about that. And that plus sign there, down there is just to create new collection. That is create new folder. I call it folders. So that is all about that. So lastly, I'm going to be creating another design because there was a change of mind by my client. She said she doesn't want a beautiful a two-piece outfit, that she wants a jumpsuit in this of the same color and different fabric this time around. So now I'm just going to write it directly from my mind. I'm not going to make use of ChatGPT. I'm just going to draft the prompt directly from the idea that I have in my mind. So I'm just typing that Bing should create an image of a gorgeous slim lady wearing a peach colored jumpsuit with um, shoulder flutter sleeves. If you don't know what flutter sleeves are, you can just Google it directly and you're going to see images of what they are for those who are not in the fashion line, you know. And another layer of, okay, I'm going to put in the type of fabric. You have to be detailed when you are creating a prompt so that the image you're going to get would be what you envision. You have to be very, very detailed. So I'm now putting and another layer of fabric at the trouser. Okay, I'm going to remove that another layer and substitute it with an overlay of fabric at the trouser towards the dart. So that is another terminology in fashion designing. So if you don't know, now you know. Now the middle panel of the top part has a black lace overlaid on the peach. Yes, because that's what she said she wanted. Actually, she sent a picture to me, but we made a twist to it by adding black lace to it. And she accessorized it with um, black accessories. Yes, black. Okay, that accessorized is not really nice. So I'm going to use, she adorned the outfits with black accessories. That's much better. So if you want to go further, you can add, so she wore it to a wedding, or just to create more um, beauty to the picture, you can put a setting, a place for it. Now I've clicked on create and I'm waiting for it to pop out. And still waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. And finally, here are our images. Can you see how beautiful they are? So AI being brought out four different pictures of different designs, but the same concept. You can see my lace fabric at the middle part, like I asked it to put. You can see my overlay fabric at the trouser. You can see my flutter sleeves, yeah, and the black accessories. And this one is just like a cartoon, a sketch work, and it's also beautiful. So I'm just going to download them one after the other to it. But if you want to twitch it, like here, I'm putting in gorgeous Nigerian slim lady. You can also twitch your or adjust your prompt. So I'm also putting an over shoulder flutter sleeve. So just to make it more detailed and bring out what I like. So I'm just going to delete that away, and also I'm going to try to highlight that and paste it there. So now I deleted it from the bottom. I'll cut it from the bottom to paste after that sleeve, and I indicated it with a comma so that it's going to make much sense. So I'm just going to put a full stop there and continue with, there is an overlay. So let's see. So you can see again another design, of a Nigerian lady. You can see how beautiful she is. I'm not saying the other one is not beautiful. It is. This one is also beautiful as well. And so we've come to the end of this amazing tutorial. Can you see my handsome Chinese man wearing Ankara shirts and also the pretty ladies rocking peach jumpsuits with lace of different designs? Can you see how beautiful they are? So this is just the power of AI, helps you to bring your imagination to life. And again, in this skill, you have to keep practicing. You have to keep bringing your ideas to life. No idea is crazy at all. No idea is dormant. You just have to put it in use, practice more and more. And for those who are still newbies in the fashion world, I have created in the manual different terminologies, at least basic ones, in which you can start with as beginners. And again, do not have that fear of sharing your designs to the world. The more you share, the more people will know you. And I wish you all the best. Ciao.